Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Want to see something really cool? Look at that. Stabilized piece of buckeye burl. Got it from Tim over at TB Malloy Woodworks, Woodcrafts. I'm going to have a link down for his information. Right down here. Right there. Somewhere. Anyway, bottom of the screen. Anyway, I cut off about a 3 1/4 chunk, which is on the lathe right here. I'm getting ready to drill it out with a 5/8 drill bit. And we are going to make an awesome duck call out of this. Seems to be the thing here lately for me, but people have been wanting them, so I'm making them. Anyway, this is going to be cool. Stick around, let's see how it comes out. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to drill this out, and then I'm going to get it on my, I've got a duck call mandrel of 5/8 that'll go in here. I'll get this drilled out, we'll get that on the mandrel, get it spun around, and we will take it from there. I'm probably going to have dust collector going. I don't have the hose hooked up to it yet, but this being stabilized is probably going to be really dusty. So dusty and dusty. All right, we've got this in our Jacobs chuck, in our 4-jaw chuck, and mounted on the 5/8 mandrel for the duck call. Till stock up for some support till I get it round. And we'll start off with a rough and gouge, get this thing round, get our band diameter sized, and that's where we're at. So stick around. All right, we got this turned around. We're going to go ahead and get our band sized on here. I'm going to go with the anodized aluminum green. I think it's going to go really good with that buckeye burl. So we'll start getting that size. We're going to sneak up on that and we want a nice snug fit on that. So here we go. Not quite. We're going to keep sneaking up on that. We get it set. We'll be back. Got our band sized in, so now it's left to do is just shape it. It's always the fun part. I got some grooves in there for the epoxy to go into when I slide the band on. That, like I said, it gives that epoxy somewhere to go and gives that a nice base. So it's going to be nice. All right, I've got this sanded up to 400. We're just gonna Hit it with some denatured alcohol. Get some of that dust off of there. Get ready for a finish. I think I'm going to use the Axe abrasive and polishing paste on this. There's a discount code in the description box below for 10% off. So go help some people out and save 10% on a great product. All right, we've got that polished up. Things looking sweet. So anyway, I scuffed up the inside of the band. I don't know if that's picking up. I'm going to use a 5-minute epoxy, and we'll get that epoxied on. So we'll be back when that's done. Okay, I've got the band adhered on there. I've got it taped up. I'm going to go ahead and hit this on the buffing wheel just to maybe bring a little bit more shine out on that. Well, I hope that's picking up on all that. That looks awesome. So anyway, we're going to buff this off. I'm going to show you a little bit of that, and then we'll be back at the end and we'll talk about it a little bit. All right, there's the barrel. Here's the insert. I'm going to go with the clear. There we have a duck call. This is from Echo duck calls. I'm still working on my skills for turning soundboards, but I get these from Echo. They always sound good. They're ready to go. They're tuned before you get them. Always quality. So anyway, I'm concentrating on the barrels or the mouthpieces, whatever you want to call them. But anyway, buckeye burl, anodized green aluminum band, Echo insert. Sounds pretty good too. Here we go. I'm not a very good caller. So anyway, there it is. Hope you guys like it. Big shout out to Tim over at TB Malloy Woodcrafts for sending this piece of buckeye burl over. It looks camo, which is awesome too. But we got some detail rings in there. Anyway, I'm gonna have some still shots at the end. Thanks everybody for watching. I know it's been a while since I made some videos. I had some home improvement stuff going on, some life stuff going on, making a lot of duck calls. So those have been keeping me busy, and my next video is probably going to be a challenge video, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Like, share, whatever you want to do, man. Just, it's all appreciated, and I thank everybody very much for tuning into my channel and watching me act like I know what I'm doing. So anyway, until next time, thank you. And I'm out.